The year in front of us will be impossibly hard. We have no time to lose. Those aren't my words. That's Dario Amodei, CEO of Anthropic, the company behind one of the most powerful AI models in the world. And when someone like him publishes a 38-page warning saying superhuman AI could arrive as early as 2027 and that humanity is dangerously unprepared, this is the reality knocking on the door. And that's exactly why I want you all to watch the video till the end. Today I'm breaking down the Introduction to Generative AI Studio course by Simplilearn Skill Up, powered by Google Cloud, and showing you why this skill actually matters right now. Not just another course review, but as the starting point to survive and grow in what is coming next. Now moving ahead and looking at what global leaders and news platforms like Forbes are reporting, generative AI is no longer just about cool tools or writing content faster. It's about massive economic and job disruption. With Amodei himself warning that AI could disrupt nearly 50% of entry-level white-collar jobs in the next few years, meaning people who don't understand AI will struggle. Not because they're bad at their jobs, but because job itself will change. And at the same time, companies are seeing productivity gains of 40 to 70%. Which basically means the people who do understand generative AI are finishing the work in 1 hour that used to take 5. Now coming to why learning from basic matters so much. Amodei clearly says that humans need to understand where the technology is going and how it works so they are not just blindsided. And that's exactly where this course fits in. This is a beginner level course designed for anyone who wants to understand generative AI from the basic. And the best part is that it is completely self-paced, so you can learn at your own speed without pressure. The course includes 1 hour of video lesson, giving you 90 days of access, and once you complete it, you will receive a certificate that you can share it on LinkedIn with recruiters or professional network. Now let us talk about what is actually covered in the course. You will start with a clear introduction to generative AI and understand what it matters in today's AI-driven world. The course helps you learn how generative AI used to create content like text, images, and how it supports creativity and problem solving. You'll be also introduced to Generative AI Studio, where you understand how AI models are explored and prototyped. Along the way, you will learn key skills like defining generative AI, prototyping generative AI models, working with Vertex AI, prompt design, different type of prompting, and important concepts like prompt tuning, fine-tuning, and parameter tuning. The course consists of a focus lesson called Introduction to Gen AI Studio, along with a short knowledge check to help reinforce what you have learned. So, who should take this course? This course is ideal for machine learning engineers, research scientists, data analysts, and product managers, as well as beginners who want a simple and structured introduction to generative AI. You don't need any prior experience or prerequisite to get started, which makes it perfect if you're just beginning your AI journey or want to strengthen your foundation. What makes this course valuable that it focuses on core concepts that companies are actually looking for, to helping you understand generative AI in a practical and industry-relevant way rather than overwhelming you with complexity. So, click the link, enroll, and start building a skill that will stay relevant throughout your career. Thank you and see you in the next video.